Hey, thanks for clicking and watching today's 2-minute Tesla Tip Tuesday. And today what I want to talk about is a way, if you're buying a Tesla, you can save yourself a bit of money, okay? One thing that people end up spending a lot of extra money on is the electrical outlet in the house. So when you go to have an electrician come in and give you a quote, don't let them know you're installing it for a Tesla. So before I bought mine, I was reading a lot and different forums, and people were saying that they were just getting charged an arm and a leg, putting electric into their own home. And so I tried to experiment with this myself. So I had 2 different electricians come out. Both of them gave them the sheet from Tesla, all the things that you need to do the NEMA 1450 outlet. And basic requirements, both of the quotes were over $1,000. So I called another one, took this out, cut out everything, and just gave them what they needed. Nothing that says Tesla, nothing that says it's for a car. And this is the sheet that I handed to the electrician. Said, give me a quote. I just needed an outlet outside. And he gave me a quote. It was $368. And he was kind of like, well, it's kind of expensive. It's $368. We got to take the wire a long ways. I'm like, done. Perfect. Install it. So then the week came that they went to install it, and everything was going great. He got it installed. So then I pulled my Tesla up, and the installer started hemming and hawing. Wait a minute, this is outlets for a Tesla? I'm like, yeah, it is. He goes, I don't know if this is correct. And I just gave him the sheet. I go, you followed all these, correct? All the instructions? He's like, yeah. I'm like, it'll be fine. Backed it up and went to plug it in. He's like, well, the voltage, has a little variation. And I was trying to give all these excuses on why he might have to charge me more, do some more updates to my electric. Anyhow, I've had it since September 4th. Everything's been great, and I haven't had any issues with it at all. But like I said, they seem that they can charge a little bit more since you have a Tesla. Anyhow, that was today's tip. 2 minutes. Try to keep it as quick as I could for Tuesday's Tesla tips. Follow me, subscribe, like this, and wait till next Tuesday, and you'll get another one. Thanks for watching.